Hello dear students, it is the exercise 8.3. Find the area of the rectangle. Now a new concept is there, area. So first of all you should know what is the area. If I am talking in case of a rectangle, this is a rectangle. So the space enclosed by this rectangle is called its area. This is the space enclosed by it, so this is called as its area. This is the length and this is the breadth. So what will be the area of a rectangle? Length multiplied by breadth. So formula for area of rectangle is area equals to length multiplied by breadth. So 13 multiplied by 8. You can multiply here in the rough space. 8 3s are 24 and 10 here, so it will be 104 centimeter square. These are the units of the area, or you can write it as 104 square centimeter or 104 centimeter square. Now next part, it is length and breadth is given, you have to find the area. So 22 multiplied by 19, you can multiply it in the rough space, okay, and it will be 418 centimeter square. Similarly, when we have to find the area, here the values are in decimal. So formula for the area is length multiplied by breadth. So 10.5 multiplied by 5.5. Here you can multiply in the rough space. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Again multiply, same. So you can add, and what is the answer? It is 5775. Now you can see after the decimal there are two numbers, one this 5 and one this 5. So in the answer we have to place the decimal in such a way there should be two digits after decimal. So where will I put the decimal? It will be after this 7, because after 7 there are two digits after the decimal, and the units will be square meters. Okay, remaining parts of this you can try it yourself. Now moving towards question number 2. Find the area of the squares. Now a square, what is a square? Square has all the sides equal. This is a square. This is side, and all these four sides are equal. So area means the space which has been enclosed here inside. So what is the area of the square? It is side multiplied by side. So what is the formula for area of the square? It is side multiplied by side. Fine. So here we have to multiply 8.3 multiplied by 8.3. Multiply it in the rough space, answer is 6889. Similarly, now we have to place the decimal after the two places of our answer, because one place of this decimal and one place of this decimal, it becomes the two places of the decimal. So our answer, it is 6889. So where should I place the decimal? It will be placed here, because after this there are two numbers after the decimal. Okay, and the same units, square meters. Similarly, in the G part, it is 13 meters. So area will be side multiplied by side. 13 multiplied by 13 is 169 meter square, or you can write it square meters. Now the H part, it is area equals to side multiply by side. So it will be 28 multiplied by 28. Multiply it in the rough space and the answer will be 784. So 784 square meters. So what is the area of the square? It will be 784 square meters. Moving towards the next question, it is question number 3rd. Find the length of a rectangular park whose area is 672 square meters and the breadth is 21 meters. Now here we have to find the length. Okay, our formula was area equals to length into breadth. Now when we have to find the length, it will be area divided by breadth, or if we have to find the breadth, then it will be area upon length. Whichever quantity we have to find, that will be on the left hand side, and it with the other quantity that will be here in the divide. If we have to find the length, area is same, then the breadth will be down, and if we have to find the breadth, then down will be the length. So here breadth equals to, what is the value for the area? 672 divided by 21. So you can divide it 672 by 21 in the rough space. By 3 it will be divisible, 63. Then 42 by 2. So what is the breadth? The breadth of a rectangular park, it is 32 meters. Moving towards question number 4, it is which of the following quadrilaters has the larger area and by how much? So two things have been given here. First, area of rectangle you have to find. Next, you have to find area of the square, and by this you have to check which one has the greater area and by how much. So first we'll find the area of the rectangle. It will be length into breadth. 25 multiplied by 21. Answer will be 525 centimeter square. Similarly, in the B part, area of the square of side 22 centimeters. So area will be side multiplied by side. So 22 multiplied by 22. Answer, it is 484 centimeters square. Our area of rectangle was 525 and area of square is 484. So which area is greater? Area of rectangle is greater. But in the question it was by how much. See, it is written in the question that you have to find by how much it was greater. So for that, what we have done, we have subtracted the area of the rectangle from the area of the square. So it is 41. So area of rectangle is larger by 41 centimeter square.